Hi, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I didn't forget it was Tuesday. It's just been a really crazy day. So I'm much later than I normally am with Quick Tip Tuesday. But I am here with Quick Tip Tuesday. It has a freebie for you. And I do want to remind you that we have a few more hours, a couple more hours of the TPT site wide sale. So if you need anything, everything is 25% off through midnight tonight. So if you're watching this at a different time, pay no attention to this. In the meantime, I have a data quick tip for you today, and I'm going to share my screen to show it to you, and I will add the link of where you can get it when I get off of here. Let's see. So, one of the things that I know has been difficult, um, hold on just a second, it of course has decided that it needs to do something to share my screen. That is not what you should be seeing. Ah, that's why. Let's see. Well, this is, of course, a little different than I had planned. One of the things that I hear frequently about distance learning is the difficulty of taking data. And so, one of the things I've thought about a lot since last March was really some of the best ways to get data, given that your students are not in your classroom and you can't observe them doing everything. One way I think to do that is changing our expectations a little bit because we're no longer there to take a frequency count or duration, but we can get general ratings about how much assistance was provided, about how severe the behavior was or how frequent it was, and we can get some reliable estimates of that. It may not be as scientifically reliable as, when we're in the classroom and we're counting, but we can get information as long as we ask for it in a succinct and clear and easy way for families to give it to us. I wouldn't necessarily ask what kind of prompting they needed because I don't know that that's something many families would know. And that would just be another training component. So this is actually a Google slide that has a version of my work product record sheet, which I use as a sticker in the classroom to put on permanent product. And in the resource library, there's a hard copy you can put on sticker paper, and there's also this one. And you can download it for free. Just sign up for the newsletter. And this one I have tailored specifically to families giving us data by giving it no help, some help, moderate help, significant help. You can then work with the family to try to figure out what those look like and get some information from them. But I think that's going to be the kind of information they're going to be able to give us that can contribute to our body of data. I have two other ways that you can collect data at a distance in this week's podcast. So I will put that link in the comments as well. So I'm not saying this is the solution to all of it, but this is just a Google slide and they can check it off. It's got text boxes and check places. And then they can give you that information. It just goes at the end of the Google slide activity that you send home. The student completes it, the parent completes this part, it comes back to you for grading. So it's really pretty quick and easy. I've tried to make it really simple. There's directions on how to use it, and hopefully that'll be helpful. And I'll put the link in the comments. Please don't forget, we've only got 2.5 more hours, 3.5 more hours until the sale ends at midnight Eastern. So if you are looking for anything on TPT, definitely make sure that you shop because now it doesn't get any cheaper than 25% off. All right, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you again next week.